Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Indulge in the epitome of city living at this centrally located high-rise residence. It comes with 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is located at East Strathmore, Kingston 8. This house sits on 0.3 acres. Enjoy the stunning views from the elevated floors, where the cityscape transforms into a breathtaking panorama. Inside, discover modern luxury with crisp countertops and contemporary finishes, creating an ambiance of sophistication. Enjoy the convenience of spacious in-unit laundry, making daily tasks a breeze. And amenities such as refreshing swimming pool, a well-equipped gym, an entertainment area, and a convenient full bathroom for guests. In addition to the urban amenities, relish the practicality of walking distance to supermarkets, pharmacies, and transportation hubs. Your new home not only offers a luxurious retreat, but also places daily essentials within easy reach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,350,000 or Jamaican $207.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.